Good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, some problem is there in video. Okay, so today I will explain once again. So, what is yesterday class? Yesterday, what did you learn yesterday? By parts, integration by parts. What is integration by parts? For example, integral tan inverse x. Integral tan inverse x dx is equal to derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x formula is there. What is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. So integral of tan inverse x is not a direct formula. Okay, we have to do. So this is tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse x into 1 dx. By parts formula. By parts formula, when we have to apply two functions are there. So two functions we have to take. So here only single function we have to given. So the second function is 1. Any function into 1 is equal to that function. So what is u? Islet. I-L-A-T-E. Islet. Islet. I-L-A-T-E. What is I? Inverse. Inverse trigonometric functions. So this is u, this is v. So that is equal to u into tan inverse x into integral v dx. U into integral v dx minus integral derivative of d by dx of u equal to tan inverse x into integral v dx, the total dx. So that is equal to tan inverse x into integral 1 is equal to x minus integral derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square into integration of 1 x dx. So that is equal to x into tan inverse x minus integral divide 2 and multiply dx. This is the formula of integral f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. Log mod f of x plus c. So here in 1 plus x square is equal to taken f of x. The derivative of 1 plus x square is equal to 2x. So this formula applied. So that is equal to x into tan inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 2 into log mod 1 plus x square plus c. 1 plus x square plus c. 1 by 2 into log mod 1 plus x square plus c. Log of f of x. Here f of x is equal to what? 1 plus x square. This one. At the same way, second problem, integral sin inverse x dx and integral cos inverse x dx. These both are homework. Okay. So it is same. Okay. As usual, into 1 u into v. This is the same procedure. So next one, very important formula, integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. E power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. What is the answer? Equal to e power x into f of x plus c. This is the formula. This is very important, compulsory 1 mark or 2 marks. Okay, it comes 1 or 2 marks question in your examination. So this is the formula type question. So what is the first question? Integral e power x into sin x plus cos x. integral e power x into sin x plus cos x. So that is equal to what here? What is the f of x? E compare to the formula e power xa. So here what is the f of x? Sin x. Sin x derivative cos x. Cos x derivative minus sin x. So here f of x is equal to sin x, f dash of x is equal to cos x. So what is the answer? E power x into, that is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. That is equal to e power x into what is the f of x? F of x is equal to sin x plus c. Next, this is very important one. Second problem, integral e power x into 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx. Important. All problems today, all problems important. Okay. So that is equal to integral e power x into 1 by x plus minus 1 by x square dx, because of what is the formula? E power x into f of x plus f dash of x. So plus is important. So here there is no plus, minus. The minus is converted to plus. Okay, how to convert plus into minus? Minus without changing the value. Okay, so here what is the f of x? F of x is equal to 1 by x. What is the f dash of x? F dash of x is equal to minus 1 by x square. What is the formula? For example, y is equal to 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to x power minus 1. So what is the formula of x power n? Derivative of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So dy by dx is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So minus 1 into x power minus 1 minus 2. So that is equal to minus 1 by x square. Dy by dx is nothing but f dash of x. So this is the explanation. So f of x 1 by x, f dash of x is equal to minus 1 by x. So what is the formula? E power x into f of x plus c. So that is equal to e power x into f of x is equal to 1 by x plus c. These problems. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, today some problem, very important problems ಹೇಳ್ತಿನಾನು. ಈಗ ಏನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇವು ಮಾಡಲ್ಸು ಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸೌಂಡ್, ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, x e power x by 1 plus x whole square. Next problem, integral x e power x by 1 plus x whole square dx. Problem nodri, ಆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ same formula, indirectly formula. E power x, we have to separate e power x. So x numerator x will be reduced into denominator type. Okay, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಿಂದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಾ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ అనేది ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಾ ಕ್ಯೂಬ అనేది ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ 1 + x 1 - x ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ reduced into denominator type. Okay, the numerator reduced into denominator type. First, for example ಏನು ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ కదా. ಫಸ್ಟು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್? 1 + x 1 + x ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಿದೋ ಅದು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, we have to write same denominator and simplify. 1 + x -1. So +1 -1 cancel. So x is equal to the numerator. Okay, so that is equal to 1/1 + x whole square dx. So integral e power x into divide 1 + x by 1 + x whole square minus 1/1 + x whole square dx. So integral e power x into 1/1 + x plus minus 1/1 + x whole square. So what is the f of x? F of x is equal to 1/x. F dash of x is equal to 1/x derivative. The derivative of 1/x minus 1/x square. Minus 1/x square. So that is equal to answer e power x into f of x is equal to 1/1 + x plus c. Okay. Next one, no? X minus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube. Integral x minus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube into e power x. So x minus 3 by x minus 1 whole cube. So e power x separate, the numerator reduce into denominator type as a denominator type. So denominator, what is denominator? X minus 1. So here denominator 1 + x minus 1, we have to remove minus 1 is equal to the numerator. So here also x minus 1, first we have to write denominator. First denominator value is ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಈಗ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. we have to simplify. Minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube dx. So integral e power x into x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole cube minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube. So integral e power x into 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube. So f of x is equal to 1 by x minus 1 whole square. F dash of x is equal to minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube. Okay, how? Derivative of 1 by x square is equal to minus 2 by x square by using the formula derivative of x power n. Derivative of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Okay, same. So what is the answer? E power x into 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus c. E power x into 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus c. Okay, this is some maximum very important models. Today class each and every one is important. Okay, so next Next, let us go to the next topic, definite integrals. First of all, integrations two types. Integrations two types. What are they? First one, indefinite integrals. Indefinite integrals. Second one, definite integrals. Okay, indefinite integrals, definite integral, two types. Indefinite integrals are completed. Indefinite integrals are completed. Next, let us go to the definite integrals. What are the definite integrals? ఈ definite integrals also the same procedure, same as the procedure, all problems, methods, by parts formula, partial fractions. First one నేను direct, next substitution method, and the third one integrals of some particular functions. Okay, integration by using partial fractions, integrals of by parts. This all methods, same procedures, same formula. Integral sin x minus cos x, integral x power n plus 1, same procedure, same formula, or small difference. What is the difference? Actually, definite integrals only integral f of x dx is equal to plus c. This is the indefinite integrals. Indefinite integrals. This one, integral. So, definite integrals means, this is upper limit, integral a to b. This is lower limit, this is upper limit. Lower limit, we have to give lower limit, upper limit. This is difference only. This is no limits. This is lower limit, upper. Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to, actually without limits, integral f of x dx is equal to what? Integral small f of x dx is equal to the integral of f of x is equal to capital F of x. Small f of x integration, capital F of x plus c. Here also capital F of x plus c, apply the limits, lower limit, and after completion of the integration, that value, in the value substitute lower limit and upper limit. How to substitute? First, upper limit in the variable x. With respect to x, dx means what? With respect to x. So, the upper limit to lower limit to all the two values substitute in the answer, integral answer, in the variable x. Instead of x బదులు ఈ upper limit b, a is called lower limit, b is called upper limit. The upper limit to lower limit to both are substitute in the integration value or answer, integration value of this one. X బదులు instead of x. So f of first upper limit, f of b plus c, first upper limit minus lower limit, f of a plus c. First upper limit, next lower limit. So, f of b, e plus c minus of plus cancel, f of b minus f of a, f of b minus f of a. Simply integral a to b small f of x dx is equal to first upper limit to next lower limit to plus c. No plus c. Don't use plus c, because in the definite integral there is no exact value. The answer is also in the indefinite integrals, the answer is also in terms of functions. So here in the definite integrals, the answer is integral value is value. Integral of function equal to the value 20, 30, 40, 100. This is the value, exact value. That is defined, definite integrals. That is called definite integrals means exact value will come. Exact value will come. This one, very very important one. This is the formula. Integral a to b small f of x dx is equal to f of b minus f of a. This is the simple formula. The integration, when we have to apply the upper limit and lower limit after completion of integration. Integration ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಾಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಾಕೆ ಆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಲೋಯರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟು ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ అనేది ಸೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ಇಂಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್, ಆಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರೋ ಅದೇ ಥರ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟು ಲೋಯರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಡೆಫೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ write down the formula, only single formula. Okay, so integral exercise 7.9 exercise 7.9 integral 1 by x dx integral 2 to 3 integral 2 to 3 integral 2 to 3 1 by x dx. First we have to calculate integral of 1 by x. Integral of 1 by x. But direct formula. What is the integral of 1 by x? Integral of 1 by x is equal to log mod x not plus c over the integrals 2 to 3 over the limits 2 to 3. So apply the first upper limit x instead of x. Mod 2, this is log 3, first upper limit instead of x ಬದಲು x is equal to 3 log 3 upper limit next lower limit. There is no plus c అనేది should not be used. Next second one, integral sin to x 0 to pi by 4 integral 0 to pi by 4 sin 2x dx. So first we have to calculate integral sin 2x value. What is the integral of sin x? Integral of sin x is equal to minus cos x. Integral of sin 2x is equal to minus cos 2x. Integral of sin 2x is equal to minus cos 2x by 2 over the limits 0 to pi by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 common. First we have to apply upper limit instead of x. Cos 2, what is upper limit? Pi by 4. x ಬದಲು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ 2 pi by 4 minus upper limit to minus lower limit to minus cos 2 into what is the lower limit? 0. So that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 2 ones 2 twos cos 90 0 2 into 0 0 cos 0 1 so minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. The answer is exact value. Okay, this is understand sin t sin x minus cos x sin 2x minus cos 2x by 2 over the integral 0 to pi. When apply the upper limits, first upper limit instead of x, first upper limit to minus that function lower limit, this one. Okay, 1 by x sin x 0 to 1 integral 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x square dx. What is the formula? This is integral 0 to 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to, what is the formula? Tan inverse x. So 0 to 1. This is integration, there is no integration. So first we have to apply upper limit to instead of x, tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0, tan inverse 1 minus tan 0. So tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi, because tan inverse of tan when 45 degrees 1 tan 45 degrees, tan when 1 tan when 1 tan 45, then 45 equal to 1 minus tan inverse of tan 0 is equal to 0, tan inverse of tan 0. So that is equal to tan cancel, pi by 4 minus 0, that is equal to answer is pi by 4. Next, two to 3 x by integral 2 to 3 x by 1 plus x square dx. Integral divide 2 and multiply 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Or 1 plus x square is equal to t. 1 plus x square is equal to t. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into, this is the formula, integral f dash of x by f of x is equal to log mod f of x. So what is the f of x? 1 plus x square over the limits 2 to 3, that is equal to 1 by 2 into log mod. First we have to apply upper limit, 1 plus 9, 1 plus 3 square minus log mod 1 plus 2 square, that is equal to 1 by 2 into log 10 minus log 5. Okay, 2 square 4 plus 1 5, that is equal to 1 by 2 into log a minus log b is equal to log a by b, that is equal to 1 by 2 into log 2. 1 by 2 into log 2. So many problems, same as first exercise in the integral chapter. First exercise problems as it is problems. First we have to calculate integration value, and after apply the limits on the value of integrals instead of x in the answer. So many problems. Okay, so this is the okay. In the 7.9 some problems some problems are calculated only. So remaining problems are you have to do homework and try. Okay, next. Integral 0 to 2 by 3, integral, next one, integral 0 to 2 by 3 dx by 9 plus 4x square dx, 9 plus 4x square dx. This is the same as integration of some particular functions. What are they? 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by x square minus a square, this procedure. So, integral 0 to 2 by 3 dx by 3 square plus 4x square is equal to 2x whole square dx. So, put 2x is equal to t, 2 dx is equal to dt, dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt, same method, dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So, integral dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt by 3 square plus t square, that is equal to 1 by 2 integral 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by x square plus a square, formula 1 by a into integral 1 by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a, 1 by a is equal to tan inverse x by a, t by 3. So, that is equal to 1 by 6 tan inverse of what is t? T is equal to 2x by 3. Okay, the t derivative with respect to t, first derivative with respect to x convert into derivative with respect to t, the answer must be changed compulsory, because in terms of t convert into in terms of x. So, next apply the limits 0 to 2 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 6 into big bracket tan inverse of first upper limit 2 by 3 into what is x? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 or 3 by 4? 2 by 3. X is equal to 2 by 3. Next, tan inverse of 2 by 3 into 0. So, that is equal to 1 by 6 into 2 by 3, 2 by 3, tan inverse of 4 by 9 minus 0, because 2 by 3 into 0 is equal to 0, tan inverse of 0 is equal to 0. So, final answer is 1 by 6 into tan inverse of 4 by 9, not plus c, don't use plus c. Okay, next and exercise 7.10 and exercise 7.10 is also same models, second exercise substitution method type, same as, okay, integral 1 to 2, integral 1 to 2 e power x into 1 by x, e power x into 1 by x minus 1 by 2x square dx, e power 2x, e power 2x, 1 by x minus 2. So, what is the formula? E power x into f of x plus f dash of x, e power x into. So, here e power 2x into. Now, put 2x is equal to t. 2x is equal to t means 2 dx is equal to dt. dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So that implies x is equal to what? X is equal to t by 2. So integral, not you don't use limits. Next, first e power t into 1 by x. So 1 by what is x? 2x is equal to t. X is equal to t by 2 minus 1 by 2 into t by 2 whole square. Dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So integral e power t into t by 2 is equal to 2 by t minus t square by 2. So 2 by t square into 1 by 2 dt. So 1 by 2 e power t, both common with 2, 1 by t, this is plus minus 1 by t square dt. 2 cancel. What is the formula? Integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. This is formula. So here what is the e power t, e power x into what is the f of x? 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. 1 by t over the, so that is equal to, what is t? 2x. T is equal to what? 2x. E power 2x into 1 by 2x, limits 1 to 2. Now we have to apply, now apply the limits. Okay, so 1 by 2. So e power 4 by 4 minus e power 2 by 2. E power 4. X is equal to 2. 2 into 2, 4. E power 4 by 2 into 2, 4 minus lower limit e power 2 into 1 e square in by 2. ಫಸ್ಟು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಅಂದರೆ ಟಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀರಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಈ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಡ ಫಸ್ಟು. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇವಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸು, ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇವಿ. ಇದೇನು? ಟಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. The answer is in terms of x. The answer is in terms of x when we have to apply the limits. ಆನ್ಸರ್ನು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ, ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ 0 to 2/3 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸು ಎ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸು. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು? ಎಕ್ಸು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸು ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಟೀನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿಮಿಟು ಬರೀಬೇಡ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸು. ಅದೇ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, so 7.9, 7.10, 7.9 exercise is same as 7.1, 7.10 exercise is same as 7.2 substitution method. So the remaining problems you have to homework. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow some properties of definite integrals, very important, 6 marks question tomorrow, don't miss. Hmm?